Morning, y'all. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So, today's the day where I do my hair. So, this is the plan. This is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to vlog a little bit of the stuff that I do today. I went to the beauty supply store, bought some hair, bought a couple of products from Walmart, and I'm ready to do my hair. Um, I don't know how I'm gonna do this video yet. All I know is that I will try to record some of the process of me getting my hair done. The only thing that I probably will not show y'all in this video is the cornrow. Like, I'll show you like the finished product of the cornrow, but I won't show you the process of the cornrow because it's just gonna be straight back down like this, and then I'm going to tie it in the back and then create that style, like a, you know, I think that's the easiest style. It's the style that I did before, so that's what I'm going to continue to do. I'm going to do the same style. What else? I got a lot of products. I guess I can go show y'all the products that I got. I got a lot of products. Not really a lot, but I got the products that I needed. I got the Vigorol Mousse, I think it's called. Hopefully I can pop up a picture here or in another clip, but I have that, and then I have my crochet needle. I had a crochet needle, but I don't feel like finding it right now, so I just bought a new one. It was $1, so I just bought it. So I have that, and then I got the hair. So I'll show you all that. So that will be what I'm going to show you in the beginning, and then I'll show you the finished product of my cornrows, and then I'll try to show you all of the actually me installing the hair. I got free tress, deep twist hair. Yes, I do use free tress, still. I don't know if free tress is still a brand, or it is a brand, but I don't know if how like popular it is still. I mean, I know other people like using other things, but I feel like I just gonna use that one because this is something that I want to um do. Like, I want to have it for at least a few weeks, at least like 6 weeks or something like that. Like, I would like to have it for 6 weeks. That's why I brought the products, so I can make sure that it lasts. So that's why I brought the products. But as far as that, I just use what I used before, and I liked how it turned out. Yes, it did mat up a little bit. I know how free trust is now. I've worn it so many times that I know how it acts. So I know what it does. So obviously I know what it does, but I still want to use it because I like it. I was gonna try something else, maybe Bohemian Curls or whatever not, but I feel like I'm just gonna try that one again, and then maybe the next 6 weeks or whatever, I'll try the other one. I'll install that in my hair. Hopefully I can find somebody else that can do braids for me, but I'll install that in my hair. And then what else? What else I want to talk about? So the products, the hair. I did this video before, 2000, I think it's 19, 2019 or 18. It's 2020. Happy New Year, y'all. I don't know if this is going to be the first video of 2020, but I know there's a video that's first 2020. But yeah, happy 2020, you guys. This year's gonna be filled with a lot of positive energy and a lot of opportunities and all that other good stuff. So happy New Year. So yeah, I will try to do that for you. I will try to vlog me actually installing the hair. I did this last year, 2018, 2019, and it turned out pretty well. I will have some pictures, hopefully, after this video of what it looks like. I'm gonna do it after this video. Because it's gonna be a long drawn out thing. Yes, I am doing this on my phone. I don't have a camera with me, so this phone is probably the best thing that I'm going to be able to use for this video. So, yeah. Hopefully it's still clear. You can see me and all this other stuff. I still need to get my nails done, but that will be in a later video. I'm not too keen on that right now because I need my nails to grow, and it's right now it's kind of getting better. As as the day progresses, it's kind of getting better. So yeah, that's cool. So I'll do that later on. But yeah. If there's anything else I want to say, I'll come back. But that's how we're gonna do it. Like I said in the beginning, we are going to I'm gonna show you not the whole process of the cornrow, but I'm gonna show you what the finished product looks like. And then I'm gonna show you it, and I'm gonna show you the products and all that other stuff. And then I'm gonna actually show you the crochet, how I do it. That part won't be too long. I might do maybe 10 minutes of that part, and then I'll show you guys the outcome or something like that. It's not gonna be as long. The other video I think was very long, so I had to like cut it. But this time, not very long because you guys have seen it before. I will link the other one in the description box below so you guys can look at that video. Everything else is still gonna be the same, just how the video constructed is different, but everything will be the same. So if you want to watch that video, go ahead and click the description box because it will be over there. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on post notifications. It's 2020. We're gonna get better, and that's basically it. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next clip, or however I want to construct this. I love you guys. Peace. I'm trying to find free dress. I found it. $6.99, right? This is what the cornrows are looking like so far. This right here is my hair, and the cornrows are back here. So what I'm gonna have to do is, the way my mom did it, she can't really grip this part of my hair. So she put it back here. So I'm just gonna have to like fill this hair in and fill this part in like this, fill it in, and then get a little strand for this part, but fill this in right here when I do my hair like this. See, it's all the way up here. So I'm gonna put some hair probably right here, and I'm gonna make it real full, and I probably might just slick it back with some gel or something like that and have my hair like that. But yeah, this is what it looks like. This is good for now. I can work with it. I can do what I need to do. I can work my magic. I got this, so I know what to do. So yeah, this is the braiding pattern. Back all the way back down this way.